Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how DeepSeek MHC works, which is one of the newest and most talked about AI architectures. If you have heard the buzz and you want to clear things, this is the step-by-step explanation of what makes it different. So first of all, let's just understand what is DeepSeek MHC. So DeepSeek MHC stands for Multi-Head Context Architecture. At its core, it is designed to help AI models handle the multiple types of input and reasoning paths at the same time, almost like giving the AI several brains that work together on a problem instead of just one. The traditional transformer models process information sequentially, meaning they look at the text and try to predict the next word based on the patterns they have learned. DeepSeek MHC adds another layer of complexity. It allows the model to create and track separate context streams simultaneously. So here is how it actually works. In the step 1, instead of processing everything through the single context stream, DeepSeek MHC splits the input into the multiple heads. Each head focuses on the different aspects of the input. One might analyze meaning, another style, another relevance to the specific task, and so on. In the step 2, once the input is split into these separate heads, each head processes its part of the context in parallel and not sequentially. This means the architecture can reason faster and maintain more detailed contextual information over longer conversations or complex instructions. In the next step, after each context head has processed its piece of information, an integration layer combines insights from all the heads. So this lets the model make decisions or generate the outputs that are informed by multiple perspectives at once. In the next step, DeepSeek MHC also includes a mechanism that dynamically adjusts how much weight each context head carries. So if a certain type of reason is more important for a specific task, like the creativity versus the factual accuracy, the architecture can shift the emphasis to the relevant head. In the next step, because the architecture tracks multiple contexts in the parallel, it's better at remembering information from the earlier in a conversation and using it appropriately later. In short, DeepSeek MHC works by dividing the context processing into the multiple specialized streams, reasoning in parallel, and then combining the insight to produce more nuanced and reliable outputs. So if this video helped you understand the DeepSeek MHC, why it is an exciting AI architecture, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.